Hello children, I hope you all are good. So children, this is our computer class. In our previous video children, we were doing chapter 4, that is keyboard. So children, we were doing chapter 4 of our computer book, that is IT Planet, My Bits and Bytes, Computer Series 2. So children, in this chapter, we had completed the chapter and we were doing the exercises given at the back of the chapter. So children, in the exercises also, we had completed question number A and B. Today we will be doing the remaining exercises. So children, before starting today's exercise, let us revise what we did in our previous video. So children, in our previous video, we did question number A and B. So before that children, let us recall what all we have studied in this chapter. So children, as we know, keyboard is one of the important part of the computer. It has small buttons called keys. Children, it also has different types of keys which are used while working on computer for doing different purposes. So children, firstly we have alphabet keys, having alphabet starting from A to B, and then we have number keys. We have 10 number keys children. Numbers are 1 to 9 and 0. Then we have function keys, we have enter keys, then we have symbol keys, then we have space bar key, then delete key. So all these keys are used for different purposes. So children, I hope you all have understood the chapter. Let us do the exercises based on whatever we have studied and understood in the chapter. So children, आपको सभी लोगों को चैप्टर समझ में आ गया है और आप सारे कीज के यूजेस भी जान गए हो, तो it will be easier for you to solve the exercises. So children, in question number A we had studied, here we have 4 questions. Under question number A we have 4 questions. Question is pick the correct option. So children, we will not write the complete answer, but we will write only the particular answer which is correct. Tick the correct, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct answer. Pick the correct answer. Up children, in this first one is children, dash keys are used to type words. Dash keys are used to type words. As we know children, alphabet keys are used for typing words. So you will put a tick in front of alphabet key and write. In the answer you will write option A. Option A, we have alphabet keys. We have alphabet keys. So you will put a tick in front of the box, alphabet key. So children, there are 2 more options, function and shift key. So we don't have anything to do with the typing words using the function और शिफ्ट की. तो फंक्शन और शिफ्ट की से हमें लिखने के लिए कोई मतलब नहीं है. अगर हमें कोई भी चीज़ टाइप करना है कंप्यूटर में, तो कोई भी वर्ड टाइप करना है या सेंटेंस टाइप करना है, तो वी नीड अल्फाबेट की. सो आंसर इज अल्फाबेट की. नाउ सेकंड वन चिल्ड्रन, आवर सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज the dash keys are used to move the cursor. The dash keys are used to move the cursor. As we know children, here we have 3 options: arrow, shift and function. Children, we have studied in the chapter that there are 4 arrow keys and these are pointed in all the 4 directions. One, if you want to move up in the above line, you will press up arrow key. If you want to move in the line just below the line in which you are, so you will press down arrow key. And if you want to move one character to the right, you will press right arrow key. And if you want to move one key towards the left, one character towards the left, you will use left arrow key. So these are the 4 keys. Using these keys, you can move the cursor. So these are arrow keys. So you will write here option A, that is arrow. Arrow key. And you will put a tick in front of arrow key. That is first option. Now thirdly children, our third question is there are dash enter keys available on a keyboard. There are dash enter keys available on the keyboard. So children, as we have studied in the chapter that there are 2 enter keys. There are 2 enter keys. So children, there are two enter keys. One is present along with the alphabet keys, just beside the alphabet keys, and the other one is present with the numeric keypad. So children, as we know, there are two, at the two places we can find number keys. One is number keys and the other is numeric keypad. तो जो पहला वाला अल्फ़ाबेट की है वो नंबर कीज एंटर की है, वो नंबर कीज और अल्फ़ाबेट की के बगल में है, और दूसरा वाला जो एंटर की है इट इज़ विद द न्यूमेरिक कीपैड. तो हमारे कीबोर्ड के राइट हैंड साइड में वी हैव सेट ऑफ कीज इन विच वी हैव नंबर्स एंड सम सिंबल्स, and these along with these number and symbols children we have enter key also, and these number and symbols are together called numeric keypad. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो एंटर की है, तो यू विल पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ टू. देयर आर टू एंटर कीज प्रेजेंट ऑन द ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज TW2. देयर आर टू एंटर कीज प्रेजेंट ऑन द कीबोर्ड, सो यू विल पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ टू. नाउ फोर्थ वन चिल्ड्रन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का फोर्थ ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन. फोर्थ है द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द कीबोर्ड इज, द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द कीबोर्ड इज एंटर की, shift key or space bar key. So children, we have studied about all the types of keys on the present on the keyboard, and we very well know that there is a long key present at the bottom of the keyboard. That long key, it is one of the longest key present on the keyboard. Longest यानी सारे कीज में सबसे लंबा. तो यहाँ पे सारे कीज में सबसे लंबी वाली जो की है जो हमें अलग से दिख जाती है, या इट इज वेरी इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई इट, दैट की इज कॉल्ड स्पेस बार की, and it is present at the bottom of the keyboard, and that space bar key is used to give space between the words while writing the sentences or while writing on the typing on the computer. So children, the longest key on the keyboard is space bar key, and we use space bar key to give space between two words while writing on the or typing on the keyboard. So here we will write shift key, option C, that is SHIFT, shift, KEY, key. So children, here are the answers. Let us read the question and read the answers also. So firstly children, dash keys are used to type words. As you know children, we can type on computer using the words which are given on the keyboard. So here these words can be typed with the use of alphabet key. In alphabet keys we have letters starting from A to Z. Using these letters we can write anything on the keyboard, write anything on the computer. Now secondly children, second question is the dash keys are used to move the cursor. As we know, arrow keys are present on the keyboard, and these arrow keys are upward, downward, left and right. Using these four arrow keys we can move the cursor in all the four directions. So सेकेंड आंसर इज एरो कीज. तो एरो की को यूज करके हम किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हैं. तो दिस एरो की हेल्प्स द कर्सर टू मूव ऑन द स्क्रीन. नाउ देयर आर डैश एंटर कीज अवेलेबल ऑन द कीबोर्ड. हाउ मेनी एंटर कीज आर अवेलेबल ऑन द कीबोर्ड चिल्ड्रन? देयर आर टू एंटर कीज प्रेजेंट ऑन द कीबोर्ड और अवेलेबल ऑन द कीबोर्ड. वन इज अलॉन्ग विद द अल्फाबेट कीज and the other one is along with the on the numeric keypad or along with the numbers, जिसे हम another set of numbers जिसे हम numeric keypad कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास two enter keys हैं. Then fourth one children, the longest key on the keyboard is the shift key. As we know children, there is a long key present at the bottom of the keyboard. This key is called shift key, and it is used to give space while writing or typing anything on the computer. So with this children, we have revised question number 1. Now we will revise question number 2. In question number 2 we have fill in the blanks. So here also we will read these questions and write only answers. So children, first one, the question is B, FILL, fill in the blanks, BLANCKS, blanks, fill in the blanks. ये है हमारे पास फर्स्ट सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. इसमें हमारे पास फर्स्ट वन है चिल्ड्रन. सो डैश कीज आर यूज टू टाइप वर्ड्स on the computer. Once again children, we use alphabet keys for writing words on the computer. So the answer is alphabet key. Using alphabet key we can type words on the computer. So answer is alphabet key, and we will write here alphabet. A L P H A B E T S, alphabets. Alphabet key. Alphabet key. Using alphabet key, we can write words on the computer. Now, secondly children, second question we have, dash keys are used to type numbers. Dash keys are used to type numbers. Which keys are used to type numbers children? From the name itself we can understand, for writing number we will use number keys. नाम से ही हमें समझ में आ रहा है कि नंबर कीज को लिखने के लिए, टाइप करने के लिए हम नंबर कीज का यूज करेंगे. तो हम यहाँ पे नंबर्स लिखने के लिए नंबर कीज का यूज करेंगे. सो द आंसर इज NUMBER, नंबर कीज, alphabet keys and number keys. Then children, third one is dash key is used to type capital or small letter. Dash key is used to type capital or small letter. So children, there are special types of keys. Among the special type of key, there is one key which is used for writing anything in capital or small. किसी भी चीज़ को, वर्ड को या सेंटेंस में कुछ भी आपको लिखना है, तो कुछ भी कंप्यूटर पे टाइप करना है, तो you have a key which helps you in writing either with capital or with small letter. So this key is called caps lock key. So answer is caps lock key. Third का आंसर है caps, 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 LOCK, lock, KEY, keys, caps lock keys. Now fourth one children, dash is a blinking line on the screen. Dash is the blinking line on the screen. Blinking line मतलब children, कभी वो जलता है, कभी बुझता है, मतलब कभी दिखता है, कभी गायब हो जाता है. तो इस ब्लिंकिंग लाइन को, इट इज अ स्मॉल ब्लिंकिंग लाइन विच इज कॉल्ड कर्सर. स्मॉल ब्लिंकिंग लाइन प्रेजेंट ऑन द स्क्रीन इज कॉल्ड कर्सर. तो यहाँ पे इज dash is a blinking line on the screen, so you will write here CURSOR, cursor. इसको हम कर्सर कहते हैं. Then children, fifth one, dash key is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. So children, we know that there are two keys which are used for deleting or erasing any character, and the characters can be deleted either in the right hand side or the left hand side. So depending upon the side, we have two delete keys. One deletes the character towards the left of the cursor, and the other one deletes the character towards the right of the cursor. The one which deletes the character towards the right of the cursor is delete key, and the other one which deletes towards the left of the cursor is called backspace key. तो यहाँ पे हमसे पूछा है कि वो की जो कि राइट हैंड साइड, कर्सर से राइट हैंड साइड के कैरेक्टर को इरेज करता है, उसे हम डिलीट की कहते हैं. तो इसीलिए यू विल राइट हियर DELETE, डिलीट, KEY, की. देन सिक्स्थ वन, सिक्स्थ में हमारे पास है क्वेश्चन नंबर सिक्स्थ में हमारे पास है डैश गिव्स अ ब्लैंक स्पेस टू द राइट ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. डैश गिव्स अ ब्लैंक स्पेस टू द राइट ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट गिव्स, विच की इज यूज्ड टू गिव space at the towards the right of the character? So that is space bar key. As I told you, while writing, whether we write in the notebook or we write a type on the computer, we give space after writing every word or sometimes letter also. तो वो हम जो space देते हैं वो word के right hand side में देते हैं. तो which key is used for giving space in the computer? That is space bar key. So here you will write space bar key, SPACE space BAR bar KEY, key, space bar key. So children, this is all with question number B. Let us read it. Alphabet keys are used to type words on the computer. Number keys are used to type numbers. Caps lock key is used to type capital or small letters. Cursor is a blinking line on the screen. Delete key is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Then spacebar gives a blank space to the right of the character. So this is all with question number B. I hope children you all have understood, and you must have completed this exercise in your book. Now question number C children. अब हमारे पास है question number C. Question number C may we have children? Okay. So children, question number C. In question number C children, answer the following question. Answer the following questions. Here we are going to do the question answer. So children, we had already discussed these question answers. Now we are going to write and understand these questions. So children, firstly we have question number 1. In question number 1 we have name any two keys, name any two types of keys on the keyboard. So children, as we have studied about different types of keys from the keyboard on the keyboard. Children, we have studied about numerous types of key or various types of keys present on the keyboard. For example, we have alphabet keys, we have number keys, we have symbol keys, we have special keys and all function keys, and all these keys are the keys which are present on the keyboard. But here if you read the question, you are asked to write only any two keys. इनमें से जो भी हमने पढ़ा है, इनमें से हमें सिर्फ दो keys के नाम लिखने हैं. So you will write any two which you want to write. So children, we have studied about different types of keys present on the keyboard, but as in the question it is asked to write only two keys, so you will write only two keys. कोई भी दो keys के आप नाम लिख सकते हो और इस question को complete कर सकते हो. So children, question number 1 is answer the following question. C. सबसे पहले we have answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Now question number 1 we have name any two types of keys present on the keyboard. Name any two types of keys present on the keyboard. So any two you can write. Answer children, that is alphabet keys and number, 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 KEYS keys. So these are alphabet keys and number keys. Now question number 2 children. Question number 2 we have which key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Question is which key is used to move the cursor to the next line. So can you tell children which key, KEY key, is used to move, MOVE, move the cursor to the TO2 the NEXT, next, LINE, line. So children, which key is used to move the cursor to the next line? So children, can you answer? Yes, can you answer which key is used to move the cursor to the next line? Yes, of course. It is the enter key. So you will write here enter key. Enter key is the one which is used to move the cursor to the next line. Enter, KEY, key. Enter key. So children, here we have done question number 1 and 2. Answer the following questions. Name any two types, TYPES types, of KEYS keys present on the keyboard. KEYBOARDS keyboards. Alphabet keys and number keys. So answer is alphabet keys and number keys. You can write any other key also. So as you know, there are many types of keys present on the keyboard. So among them any two you can write. So which key is used to move the cursor to the next line? That is enter key. तो वो कौन सा की है जिसके को यूज करके हम कर्सर को नेक्स्ट लाइन में ला सकते हैं, दैट इज एंटर की. सो विद दिस चिल्ड्रन वी हैव कंप्लीटेड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2. लेट अस डू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में हमारे पास है नेम द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द कीबोर्ड. सो यस चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज द आंसर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 वी हैव name, N-A-M-E, name, T-H-E, the longest, K-E-Y, key present on the keyboard, K-E-Y, B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. So children, answer is yes. Can you try? Yes, of course, it is space bar key. So you will write here S-P-A-C-E space B-A-R bar K-E-Y key. So name the longest key present on the keyboard is space bar key. Now fourth one children. What is fourth question? Name the two keys used to erase text. Name the two keys used to erase the text. So children, name, N-A-M-E, name the two, T-W-O, two keys used to T-O-2 erase the text. T-E-X-T, text. text का मतलब होता है written matter, लिखा हुआ, जो भी लिखा हुआ है उसे इरेज करना है. तो so children, we have already discussed in the chapter, we have studied in the chapter that there are two keys, that is delete key and the space bar key, sorry, delete key and the backspace key. अब delete key को हम कर्सर से राइट साइड के कैरेक्टर को डिलीट कर सकते हैं और बैकस्पेस से कर्सर के लेफ्ट साइड के कैरेक्टर को हम डिलीट कर सकते हैं. सो हियर द टू कीज आर बैकस्पेस की, B-A-C-K, back space K-E-Y key and A-N-D and delete K-E-Y key, delete key. So here children, this is with question number 4. Now we have completed all the questions of question number 3. Let us read that is question number C. So third one, name the longest key present on the keyboard. The longest key present on the keyboard is space bar key, and this key is used to give space between two words while writing on the computer or typing on the computer. Name the two keys used to erase, two keys used to erase ना, तो E-R-A-S-E होगा ना, E-R-A-S-E, erase, हाँ, erase the text, erase the text. So the two keys used to erase the text is backspace and delete key, backspace and delete key. So children, this is all with question number C. Now we have our next question, that is question number D. So children, question number D, we have write T for true and F for false statements. So we will read the statements and write true and false in the space provided in front of each sentence. So children, here we have 5 questions in question number D. Question number D is W-R-I-T-E, write T for F-O-R for, T-R-U-E true, and F for F-O-R for false, F-A-L-S-E false statement. Now first one children, let us read the statement. So children, first one is there are 10 alphabet keys present on the keyboard. So children, is the statement true? Is this statement true? No, because children, we have 26 alphabets present on the keyboard. We have 26 alphabet present on the keyboard. So first one is there are T-H-E-R-E, there are 10 alphabets, Beds present, Present, present on the, there are 10 alphabet, यहाँ पे keys आएगा, keys present on the keyboard, keyboard. So children, is it true? Is it true, children? No. As we know, children, there are 26 alphabet keys present on the keyboard. So यहाँ पे 10 की जगह 26 होना चाहिए था, इसलिए ये स्टेटमेंट गलत है और we will write here F for false. हम यहाँ पे F for false लिखेंगे. Then children, secondly we have, in second statement we have enter key is the longest key on the keyboard. E-N-T-E-R, enter, E-N-T-E-R, enter. Key is the, K-E-Y, key is the longest, L-O-N-G-E-S-T, longest, K-E-Y, key, K-E-Y, key, present on the keyboard. So this statement is also false because longest key present on the keyboard is space bar key. You all know the longest key present on the keyboard is space bar key. So this statement is wrong and you will write here F for false. You will write here F for false. Now thirdly children, third में आप लिखेंगे you can type your age using the number keys. Of course children, as age में हम अपना number, age में number लिखते हैं, तो using number keys you can write your age. This statement is true. So Y-O-U, you can, C-A-N, can, you can type, T-Y-P-E, type, Y-O-U-R, your, you can type your age, A-G-E, age, using, you can type your age using the number keys, N-U-M-B-E-R, number, K-E-Y-S, keys. So this statement is true and you will write T for true here. You will write T for true here. So children, with this we have completed 3 questions. There are 10 alphabet keys present on the keyboard. This statement is false. Enter key is the longest key present on the keyboard. This is also false. You can type your age using the number keys is true. So you will write T for true. Now next one children, we have fourth one. Fourth statement is, as you can see in your book, delete key is used to erase the text. Delete key is used to erase the text. This is true, so you will write T for true. Delete, D-E-L-E-T, delete, K-E-Y, key. Delete key is used to, T-O-2, erase the text. Delete key is used to erase the text. This statement is true and you will write T for true here. Then fifth one children, caps, L-O-C-K, lock, L-O-C-K, lock is used, caps lock is used to give, G-I-V-E, give space, S-P-A-C-E, space, B-E-T-E-E-N, between, space between the text. So children, caps lock is used to give space between the text. Is it true children? No, it is not true, because caps lock is used to write the letters with capital or small. When you are typing something on the computer, you need caps lock to write either in small or in capital. So this statement is false and you will write F for false here. So let us revise children. Here we have question number D. Write T for true and F for false statement. delete key is used to erase the text. That is true. delete key को use करके हम text लिखते हैं, text को erase कर सकते हैं. This is true. caps lock is used to give space between the text. That is false, because for giving the space between the text children we use space bar key. यहाँ पे caps lock दिया है, तो ये statement wrong है. So with this children we have completed 2 questions today. That is question number C, answer the following question, and question number D, that is write T for true and F for false statement. So children, I hope you have understood. Go through the video, solve the questions in the book itself. So children, with this we come to the end of this video. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you.